How to make money without doing anything. What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, the number one place for 9 to 5 employees and rookie online business owners. Is making money without doing anything possible? Well, it really depends on how you view the term without doing anything. It can mean you're putting in some work in the beginning and eventually let the money does the work for you. Or it can simply means you will literally just sleep or watch Netflix your entire life and somehow the money just credits into your bank account. The latter is more like a money game, which I won't be talking about in this video. But instead, I will talk about the legit ways of making money without doing anything. The first way is to sell your photography to the web. If photography is a hobby, then voila! You can now make money very easily. I stumbled upon this website called PHOTOJOBZ online, and all you literally need to do is to take photos and upload it and instantly sell to millions of potential buyers. I love PHOTOJOBZ because they have ready buyers who are potential. You don't even need to look for buyers yourself. You can just take beautiful shots, upload and get paid. It's only $1 to start off. Definitely something worth trying. Super easy, feels like you can get paid very easily without hardly putting in any work. The second way is to create an online course and get paid for it. Okay, honestly, this one is going to take a bit of work, but after that, you can achieve your passive income dream. Let's say you're an expert in the drawing industry, but don't think a book is the right way to communicate the knowledge you want to share. You want to deliver more values to your target audience. What you can consider doing is to transform your knowledge into a course. I'm going to show you my screen on this amazing website called Udemy.
Okay, I'm inside this website called Udemy right now. So this is their page. It looks like this inside where everyone puts up their online courses. So there are like 100,000 over online courses in Udemy alone. What you can do is, it is actually divided into categories. I was giving an example of the drawing category. So if you are someone who likes to draw, you can totally put it here as well. You can see it's under lifestyle. So when you go to lifestyle, since I was giving drawing as an example, you can go to arts and craft and you can click on drawings. I'm just going to walk you through like how it actually looks like inside Udemy. So you can see a lot of drawing courses, and there you go. You can see like there are 1.9 million students who actually enrolled into drawing to learn about drawing on Udemy alone. And based on every single one, you can see the amount of people actually sign up. So this is about $14. $14 and you multiply by 99,000, that is like, I'm just going to use my phone right now to do this calculation. 14 times 99,933. Okay, that's like $1.4 million earned from just uploading, okay, whatever your expert is. Let's say it's drawing, you upload drawing because this is your expertise and you want more people to buy your course. And this is another way that you can monetize. You can just upload it on Udemy in order for people to see it. And if they're interested, they can just enroll it. This is a good platform for someone who isn't necessarily interested in coaching. You don't really want to become a coach, but you just want to turn your expertise into a digital asset so that people can buy from it. And people can access to it because you don't want to become a coach where you have like, because I have like a long course. When you attend like coaching program, the entire coaching program, it goes by like step 1, what do you do? But this one, you are just giving out a piece of it because you don't want to be a coach, right? So you want to give out like a piece of it and you think people might enroll into it. Never try, never know. Like this one, you get like about 3,000 over. That's very good as well. So you can gauge the idea of how many people actually enroll into all these courses on Udemy by simply going to whichever categories that you're interested in. If let's say you're interested in business, there's also business strategy, entrepreneurship. So let's say business strategy, you're interested in digital marketing, let's say. So when you're going into digital marketing, you can see like there are a lot of classes about digital marketing. This one, yes, 100,000 over people enroll into this $13 program, and this is the bestseller. So it says that it's a bestseller inside here. So what you can do is you can just try it out and try uploading, and you never know, maybe someone will purchase it. This one, it costs about $13 compared to like the entire full cost, because this one is just like a portion of it. So let's say digital marketing. Maybe this person is just teaching about Facebook digital marketing, the really basic ones, like about the campaign objective, because some people might not know campaign objective. So that is what they do. They just teach you about campaign objective, but not necessarily the entire coaching program. So that's why it's about $13. Whatever you post here, it shouldn't cost like a lot. I do see like 100 words, but obviously whatever that you price right here, the value that you're giving should be of that value as well. You can't be giving something you can't be pricing something that is about $100, but the value you're giving is around like $10. Then people won't buy from it. Then your rating will be high, because people actually buy judging from the ratings, because they can't click on it to see your examples inside Udemy. So let's say I want this. I can preview the course, but I don't exactly know whether this course is suitable for me by judging from this. And people inside here don't really research on like who this company is and who uploaded this thing. So what they do is they just literally judge by the rating, whether it's a bestseller, and how many people actually enroll. So the more it is, then the more trustworthy it is. So that's why you should give up something that is of the value.
Third, invest in high dividend stock. I'm personally a fan of boring stocks or stocks that pay high dividend. If you're the kind of person who doesn't enjoy the roller coaster ride of a stock going up and down within a few minutes interval, then perhaps high dividend stocks is for you. I'm not an expert in investment, so please do your due diligence and know your risk profile before investing. This video is all about making money without doing anything, so if you want to sleep well in bed, have consistent income and lower volatility, then high dividend yielding stocks are the ones to go for. Dividend paying stocks allow investors to profit in two ways. First, through appreciation in the price of stocks, and through distribution made by the company. I usually invest the additional income from my businesses into dividend yielding stocks rather than sitting my money in my current account. So while you're sleeping, your money can work for you. Fourth, rent out your unused room. In the Asian culture, or at least in most cases in Malaysia, we usually stay with our parents and only moved out when we are married. So I'm living with my parents now. I flew to London to further my studies at the age of 18, and I was there for 5 years. At a point of time, because we had extra rooms in our house and we had a family's friend who was having some financial difficulties, so she was looking to rent a room instead of the entire house. So we decided to rent out my room to her since I wasn't around and she needed help. Another tip you can do is to turn your house or your extra room into Airbnb. Airbnb basically allows you to turn your room into a hotel. You can lease your room, set rental dates and prices, and people visiting the area will pay you to live in your room for a short amount of time. How much you can make depends on the rental market in your area. If you are staying in a city like London, for instance, and you're intending to rent out your room that is in Zone 1, you can charge a lot higher compared to other zones. Lastly, if you already have a website, use referral links. Whether your website is an online guide or a blog or whatever else, use referral and affiliate links whenever you discuss a product. I'm not talking about setting up landing page and doing Facebook ads to drive traffic to your affiliate link, which require a lot of work. What I'm saying is simply copy and paste your referral or affiliate link on your website or your blog. Sites like Amazon, for example, let you add a bit of code in the URL of a product. If anyone buys the product through that URL, you get a percentage of the revenue from that purchase. If you don't have a website or a blog, it is totally okay as well, because you still have many other ways to make money without doing anything. I hope these tips are helpful for you. Don't forget to check out these two videos. I appreciate you and thanks for watching it all the way. I'll see you in the next video.